Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Pictures. Today we are going to construct the fifth part of the toy plane assembly in Autodeskinventor software. I'll double click this. So this will be the fifth part. This will be the upper wing of the plane. Okay. So for this part we are not going to make a new part. We'll use the fourth part. I'll click the fourth part. Okay. This we have already saved. So from here go to file and go to save as. I'll select the fifth, so I'll change the name to 5 and I'll change to upper upper wing. Okay, and save it. So the name is changed now, the upper wing. In upper wing the mounting of holes will change. Okay, so for this only this hole profile will change. We'll delete this extrude 3 and delete this bottom cutout. Okay, extrude 2 also delete. Select sketch 2, delete. Okay, now how you will change this mounting hole from top to bottom? Here select sketch 3, right click and click on redefine. Okay, rotate the view and select this bottom face. We will accept this. Okay, select this extrude, delete, select uncheck this and okay. Okay, now you can see the whole profiles have shifted from top to bottom. Okay, from here we have shifted to this face. Go to extrude, select all the holes. Okay, and take distance 8 mm. The depth of holes will remain same 8 mm and press OK. Okay, so this will be the only change for the upper wing. So this will be the final of fifth part for the toy plane. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe. For more parts, keep watching, and for the previous parts you can watch the previous uploaded videos for the toy plane.